friends have prepared us a beautiful salad. Here's a nice salad dressing, vegetables from the garden, fermented vegetables that they did themselves. Here's another plate of fermented vegetables, rice, some good Dominican beans, yummy,
Yeah.
and cayenne pepper. We're gonna have plenty of fire. And here's our friend Elias.
Yes. And this
And
is the queen of the house.
The queen of the house.
Yeah.
All right. We're very
Yeah,
thankful
this
for
one.
their hospitality.
Yeah. Welcome all the
Now
time.
let's enjoy our meal.
It's a good looking man there.
Yeah.
This is a
Yeah. You
gorgeous
can have. You can get new.
fig
A lot
tree.
of plants from here. Start new baby.
There's a couple there still.
Nicknames.
But,
And there's a
those
handsome pillow.
They're not doing good ones even the other day.
And these are persimmons.
Oh, persimmon tree. Has a baby persimmon over there.
I thought I saw something like this on our tree once.
It fell off.
Then it disappeared.
Oh yeah.
There's a little tree. I got a little, well, little trees about. I think I got to cut them on down shorter.
Yeah. These are different kind of persimmon. Taller and these are small fruits. These are flat. These are Fuji, and these are the like a egg. Looks like an egg.
Which one is the one that you eat when it's still hot?
This
Falls
is a
and
great
all that, yeah.
grapefruit tree.
But the winter killed one day. But
This is
now
packed.
it's coming a lot of little babies. You see?
Yeah. This thing is really thick, this tree.
Yeah.
You get a bunch right up in. I saw a bunch right in there. See a few,
Yeah.
3 or 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7.
Not many, but
Kind of
yeah.
hard to get now.
But they
because
get big. You see how big? The size, man?
I know they get
But
big.
but I have a lot of baby oil.
It's a monster. Hey, I see a bird nest.
Yeah.
See over there?
Yeah. These are these new pears.
Big fruit.
I
huh?
got.
Big.
The pear tree.
This is
Here, the baby
mulberry.
pears.
plenty nice,
Baby
nice
pears.
mulberries.
More baby
mulberry?
pears.
Oh.
I have plenty babies. If you want to have those plants, and then you reproduce every year. You cut the tops and just cut it in pieces, put it in the ground. You have new
For
babies.
the mulberry.
Mulberry.
Oh.
These are good. Yeah, I
The
think
black one.
this is the
Purple,
Yeah, got
Kind of purple, isn't it?
purple. Yeah, when it's ripe, very sweet.
Uh-huh.
Look at this guy.
Oh.
But
God.
but yeah, it's this a good
Look at all
mulberry because
Look at all
it's
those
full.
oranges over there.
Oh, these orange are sour, but yeah, you can have as many you want. Yeah, this mulberry. Here, this is some pears that I was going to give it to you if you want.
Oh yeah, we love it.
Look, already pears.
Oh, they're in the bucket.
Already in the
Oh,
bucket.
thank you.
And
Wow.
also, these are the, you see the pears that you see, the mulberries?
Uh-huh.
These are the plants
Oh.
that you can also impart. You see? Look at that, all coming nice along. All this, my new, you see when I prune the pears,
Uh-huh.
all the stick, what we call suckers, I stick it here.
Taking it around.
Oh,
Make
that's,
a hole, a trench, and put it there.
this is your propagation.
And this is my propagation for grapes. These are new grape plants.
Look at them
So
all.
I
Wow.
stick it there and just put water.
Every day.
Yeah, and these are the mulberry that I pruned this year, and look, it's coming. Already sprouting. Everyone takes off. It's not, you see? These. And these are the grapes.
How deep did you bury that? About a foot? 6 inches, 8
Put
inches?
and water. And now, you see, the church, when I prune I cut also my roses, a lot of roses, these knockout roses. I just stick it there. You see, I put it there too, in between there. You see it's flowering already.
Wow.
And these are, at the church, we have what they call this flower that is red, very nice, camellia.
Uh-huh.
They cut it and dump it because they were pruning, whatever. So I cut it in pieces and look at that. You know,
Wow.
it's coming. All this gonna be in new pots.
Oh
And you know this plant that grows in Miami? They call moringa tree.
yeah,
Moringa
moringa. We got some
tree.
moringas.
Look, moringa is this. My sister-in-law brought me
Oh, the big.
couple of sticks.
You get a
They're
stick, fat
coming
stick.
already. You see, they coming.
You get a fat stick. I got it from seed.
We got the seeds. We're growing them
Look at
from
it's
seeds.
coming up. The new sprout.
You're finding that.
And this,
Oh, you got some sticks. That's nice.
yeah, sticks. They grow from stick. Yeah.
Yeah.
From the
But these are pears. All this
Wow.
that are gonna have.
You never
And
know
I
what's
have
up so
grapes.
far out.
I just put a lot of cutting from grapes. Put it down and put it dirt and just water. Hopefully have few oranges and
Oh.
what you call tangerines.
Some seeds.
From seeds that grows. I throw in my bed of my greenhouse,
Mm-hmm.
and it grows. So I put it
What are
there.
those in the back? What's that?
These are what you call Japanese plum. They call
Japanese? I don't know.
Oh, like loquat?
loquat. I got some orange there, but these are all these babies you can take.
Wow.
Oh, that's a mulberry?
No, these are pears.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you can have pears and of course.
That's
you-
okay.
And then of course you just take complete. Don't put it apart and just put it in a hole.
Mhm.
Put a cardboard and then put a
Cardboard?
cardboard in the bottom. Make a big hole.
Bottom of the hole?
Just put a cardboard so that it will hold moisture, and then put some fertilizer.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And just take as many as you want.
How many do you want?
Oh, about 800.
No. Maybe a couple.
And then this mulberry, you take it also.
Oh, I'd love to have mulberry.
This is yucca, and this is how you put in boards like this.
Oh, in a bowl. We did it
I see
differently.
something to hold the water in, but at the same time it's up in the air.
And when you have the yucca, will grow inside, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What are these ditches for?
Huh?
The ditches.
Well, because I needed dirt to put it up. It made the ditch. Yeah, and keep it clean for now.
Uh-huh.
The bananas, they were neglected for a couple of years. But now this time it's going to take care. Even though I know that by the time winter comes, probably going to die. It won't have no bananas. But at least makes me happy. Yeah. Drink it.
Oh,
This is the
to make it
sour
sweeter?
orange.
Huh?
To make it sweeter?
Yeah, and then it's a good refreshment. I gave the other day to
Look at the beautiful
Patrick.
sour orange.
the flour?
Sour.
Oh, sour.
That's the factory?
and then they like it. Everybody can
Really?
to drink the tea. So
Oh.
my wife is doing tea from this and moringa. So I mix some moringa,
Uh-huh.
this, and also some
Make a moringa tea. You cook it?
the fig tree leaves. Also she does it.
Uh-huh.
And it's very healthy. It's there's some disease that they call elephant legs.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Elephantiasis.
So this is what you take,
Uh-huh.
the mulberry leaves tea.
Elephantitis.
And of course, this is not the same kind than the other. The other mulberry that I have there, they give more fruits. This is only here and there, It grows, it's a big tree, but not much fruit. Yeah. Dry it and grind it and put in cups.
These are olive trees.
Look at that.
Oh, I see a baby olive.
Baby
I
olive.
see some olive now, yeah.
In the top, sunflower incoming.
Where did you get your olives from, Tony?
Tony. Tony, the olive guy. So I put this in my mouth and chew a few every day.
Oh, you do it?
That
Yeah.
stuff.
That's good.
It's kind of bitter.
Kind of,
but,
I know it's not tough to eat. Yeah. What was over there?
and
So you get some
these are, how you call these trees?
cypress?
Cypress. It's nice, you know, for the birds. They come and some dogs. We used to have in the past. It's kind of, they call preserve. We cannot touch this, like
I understand.
mess it up.